what is important is that we agree on one candidate. My own view as an individual will only be one tiny contribution. The view of this party, which obviously will be to support me as the president of the party, is obvious. Obviously, also, each of the other parties, whether they are 13, 15, 16, will start from the premise that they will support their own leaders because those are the leaders they have faith. But as a collective, we must then agree on one offer, on one candidate. And it is possible. We should look at all the factors. Which candidate is best able, one, to deliver the maximum votes possible? Which candidate is able to unite all of us? Which candidate will receive general acceptance of the parties? And more importantly, general acceptance of the electorate. Which candidate would agree to work within the context and principle of the collective, the coalition? Which candidate will be best able to defend and protect the values that will bring us together? Which candidate will be able to articulate, to implement the agreed policy of the coalition faithfully before victory, honestly, with integrity after victory? Those are some of the core things which we think should go towards determining who the candidate should be. In our view as NDC, one of the important considerations is the acceptance by each one of us to be willing to accept that the collective can choose someone other than you. I believe that if we all accept that principle, it will be a lot easier to agree on a single candidate.